So, happy Thanksgiving. Like, say something rude, I would probably disown my son because without... If you are a person that causes dysfunction and disruption and then you complain about the effects of the disruption and dysfunction, just shut up. Turn off Andre 3000 album, but I'm at Starbucks. I know Starbucks is not Palestine friendly, but I need a coffee. I'm on my period and I need the energy. Yes.
It is a coffee.
So yeah, so today is the day before Thanksgiving. I have some last minute Thanksgiving shopping to do for Thanksgiving and also for Christmas. In our family, we normally put our Christmas tree up on Thanksgiving, like right after everybody eats, stuff their face. My mom normally take the Christmas tree out and we put up the tree. This year Thanksgiving theme, last year I did complete red and white. This week is Grinch Stole Christmas. That is the theme that we're going with. So it's gonna be a lot of green, a lot of red, and a lot of white. So yeah, that is what we're going to be doing today.
Hi there, how you doing?
Hi.
What can we do for you?
Can I have an iced coffee? It is a venti iced coffee, 3 pumps of white mocha, 3 pumps of caramel syrup, and sweet cream, cold foam, and caramel drizzle.
You want the caramel drizzle lining the cup too?
Yes, please.
Gotcha. Anything else?
That's it.
Did you want any additional milk or anything in there?
No.
No, just the foam?
Just the
gotcha.
foam.
Alright, $7.92 and they'll take your payment up to that.
Okay, thank you. So yeah, that's why I'm here at Starbucks. And normally I don't drink coffee and I don't drink Starbucks, so forgive me. I still stand with Palestine. Don't drag me in the comments. I also have a package that I need. I absolutely need to take back to Amazon.
I like them. That's why I'm happy for bread.
Being on your period, well, let me not say. Now, being on my period is such a traumatic thing because before I had my children, before I had Kai and Milani, I used to have a 3 to 4 day period and I never got bloated, I never got diarrhea, and was never nauseous. My belly didn't hurt. I didn't have any of the symptoms of a period. And now after I given birth to 2 kids back to back, my period is absolutely horrible.
Hi there.
Hi.
Can we tap it on top?
No.
Oh. You have to press the prompt. Oh, okay.
Mommy,
Yes, mommy.
I want
Iced coffee?
Yes.
There we are.
Thank you.
Mommy, has a pizza bread.
Girl. We're going. You too.
Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
I want my pizza.
We're going to Walmart, Milani. You can have whatever you want in Walmart. So saying to myself this morning that if my son ever did anything like disrespect a woman, like if she's on her period and had an accident and she laughed or like say something rude, I would probably disown my son because without a period, a woman can't actually give birth. And I'm gonna tell my daughter, if you have a period and somebody think like you're disgusting or you're dirty or they can't clean up your period or they cuss you out and stuff for like leaving blood on the toilet seat or anything like that, you don't need to be with somebody like that. And if my son ever did no stuff like that, I would probably disown him. Because women go through a lot. When I say a lot,
can I bring my tablet?
no, Milani, you're gonna leave it in the store.
Mommy, what
This is my first time trying this drink, so.
Mommy, what does it taste like?
It tastes really good.
What does it taste like? Really good?
Yeah. So I'm gonna go in Walmart. I am gonna see y'all when we get in there. So Walmart is packed here. Walmart is packed and I couldn't find any duck. I really wanted to jerk a duck to this year. I tried doing it in the oven one year. It didn't turn out so good. I'm gonna do it in our air fryer, but they don't have any duck. So I got 2 small tiny Cornish hen instead. Something different. I don't like cooking turkey because honestly the turkey go to waste. No one eats it because it always is dry unless it's fried. Plus I wouldn't be defrosting any turkey now. Turkey take about 2 to 3 days to defrost. I'm just taking a picture of my receipt as usual.
Check it up.
I also couldn't find any Grinch stuff in this Walmart, so let's see.
You have 2 more days.
Baby, please don't hit this damn car.
Thanks.
So I made my Amazon drop off, and these kids made me buy $20 worth of stuff from the dollar store. It better last and keep them preoccupied during Thanksgiving while I cook.
And there's also some remote control.
Okay, so I got these. These were the only green ornaments I could find in Walmart. Let me get all the bags. Get down, Kai. You don't even have on any shorts. Get out, please. So this is the only Grinch things that I could find in Walmart, and this is how it looks. It's a Grinch nutcracker. And then I bought these bows because I'm gonna put bows on the kitchen cabinet. I seen that style on TikTok and I want to try it this year, so I bought bows. I think I bought 6 red bows. I'm gonna try and get 6 green bows. I got some lights because the kids, the batteries on my other ones are out. What else? I bought some small kiss edge fixer. This is what I normally use in Milani here. I've been using this braiding gel, and one thing I realized with this braiding gel is that it builds up a lot. So if I normally wash her hair every 2 weeks, and on the second week of me using this, it actually builds up product in her hair, and I don't like that. So I bought the Kiss Edge Fixer. The strawberry one is maximum hold, and it's my favorite one, but they didn't have the big one, so I got 3 small ones because I was not about to go to another store for the big ones.
And the big one, like small.
And I got some pimple patches.
And wash my face too. And I'm gonna wash my face too.
And last but not least, this is what I found at Walmart for $30, $35 actually. is the Ariana Grande perfume. I actually have a travel size of this perfume, which I got and I love. So that's why I got it. I got a small one because I'm building my fragrance collection. I'm also going to get one of these for somebody for Christmas because I feel like this is a great gift. You get a 1.7 ounce body mist, a 1 fluid ounce or 30 mLs perfume spray, and 1.7 fluid ounce body souffle. And this is worth $59, but you got it for $35 at Walmart.
Reach.
Then they do river dance. You're fine. I'll just. You're going to die. Yes, Milani. I'm coming. So, happy Thanksgiving. We're almost finished cooking, so I thought I would pop in here and talk about all the things that I am thankful for. Thankful for my family, my life, you guys that support me, my friends, and the man up above. Yeah, my lips are dry, so but yeah, that's what I'm thankful for. So let's go to the food. Be about the door. So this is the goat done by yours truly, and this is the rice and peas, yours truly too. And baby's making the oxy, that's the oxtail. I'm doing a little bit of cabbage because I'm not making no collard greens, honey. And I did some macaroni and cheese. Them claim say Jamaican don't know how to make macaroni and cheese, but me not like my macaroni and cheese hard like cornbread. I like my macaroni and cheese soft and luscious and like that. Yeah. Talk up to me, come again too. I did some roasted chicken. These are, I don't remember what these are called, but this is chicken. Cause nobody not eat the turkey unless it's fried, and I couldn't find a turkey that was small enough to fit in our air fryer. I actually roasted those chicken in our air fryer and they came out amazing. The next thing, the cornbread. The cornbread is cornbreading. I kind of messed it up because I put foil paper on it, but it's getting there. And your girl is having a drinky drink. Yep. That's a bit of a goat, oxtail, mac and cheese, cornbread, rice and peas. What that's the thing I name, babe? The chicken.
A Cornish hen.
Cornish hen and cranberry sauce. I didn't make no turkey because
Mommy.
yeah. And then you have some cabbage right here. And then here's Milani in her witch outfit.
Didn't they carry turkey? What the heck?
No one eats.
Mommy.
No one eats the turkey, me there and the turkey take too long to eat off. So that's what I made for Thanksgiving dinner. I'm gonna eat my dinner. Look on my plate.
Babe, don't do that.
Let me show my plate.
Oh my God. Are you serious? Real for real? I'm sharing this with 4 people though. Please.
Me show my plate so there's no shame.
I do not want sharing with 4 people.
So I got this white project inspired shirt from Akira, and it's in a large extra large. I'm glad I got it in a large extra large because this kind of seems tall, and this is rib material. It's super soft, and I love like how this is a elevated basic. This is the stuff that I'm buying now, like basics but that are a little bit elevated. And I know this is something I'll wear because your girl wear a lot of these anyways. We're supposed to put out a treat today. That's what we're doing. So we're supposed to put up the tree today. I'm gonna go make babe take the tree out the garage. I just broke one of my nails. Baby, I do something.
Video.
Oh, and you'll tell if we go for the box in that garage for the with the Christmas tree.
Oh my God, you seriously gonna put that shit up for real?
Mm-hmm.
You can't make it still off on that I do.
No, babe, me tell you them say me I'll put you up today.
You tell the people them say I'll put you up today?
They pit me them. I'm gonna put it up today. It was supposed to be yesterday. I didn't do it yesterday.
I was gonna say how about you spend some time with Kai and Milani, but if that's your activity, I'll look at the box. Baby, that's the Thanksgiving just passed yesterday.
Yeah.
Damn, y'all be rushing the season, boy. We're not even finished eating off the Thanksgiving food yet. Christmas tree up above. Trust me. Which box here?
The only box in there that has Christmas tree on it.
Oh, show me. I'll take this box.
No, the box with the Christmas tree on it. The box that says Christmas tree right next to the yellow and black storage bins.
Let me talk.
No, just the one box. No,
So when are they?
I don't remember.
Oh,
The 50 million tension rod when we did buy, that didn't work, I guess. Can't follow simple instructions. The only box with a Christmas tree on it. Look at that. Inside of the fine.
you got too much shizzle. Look at the garage outside the bright.
Yeah, no.
Oh. I just want you to know that my back is hurt carrying this, so I'm gonna need a massage.
Okay, babe.
See?
finish eating, mommy, then we can put it up.
You want to put up Christmas tree, Mom?
So it's not Halloween, Mommy.
No, it's not Halloween. Halloween is gone.
It's Christmas. It's Christmas. You need help?
Yeah, you can put it over there.
Oh, here's my sugar. Stop. Look. Look at me. No, look. Look, Mama. Look. Mommy.
Oh, wow. I forgot I had these. Where's the other ones?
Mommy, I have vines. Mommy, I don't have a dog party.
You go have a dance party?
So I don't have the needs to.
Good morning. So, quick word. If you are a person that causes dysfunction and disruption, and then you complain about the effects of the disruption and dysfunction, just shut up, please. No one want to hear about what's wrong now when you disregarded what everybody else had to say and how it's going to affect everybody else in the process. And now that you have to live with the effects, it's a problem. Please shut up. But anyways, I finally got the tree to work. I'm gonna show you guys. And then I took out the Christmas decoration. Excuse my garbage can is full. So this is the tree. I just didn't put it together properly, and then some old stuff, new stuff. I'm gonna end this vlog video here. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. The next video you'll see is probably a decorating video. Deuces.